Hello, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to use Grok Imagine. So this is my home page of my Grok Imagine. Grok Imagine is a app that makes you able to create a video from just an image. Grok Imagine, this is it has you can ask your question here. You can ask your question. You can see the imagine option here. This is the best part of this app that I like. I can just click on any of my videos, my picture here, and type in whatever I want to type in. You can see it's even customizing without me typing anything in, and you'll be surprised the kind of image is going to create for me, the kind of video is going to create for me from this, that if I download it, I can even use it and entertain other people on my social media app. This app, so let's just watch what happens here now. So look at what this was, just an image, but Grok Imagine created it to become a video. So it also have a customized template. You can see the different kind of customized template that it has. If you have a question, you just have to click on the question option here at the top and type in your question. If you want to customize Grok, you just click here. If you want to record an audio, you click on this record option and enable your microphone to record a radio and audio. You can also see your chat history from this angle if you have any. You can also see your chat history from this angle. You can see your tags. If you have any tags that you record or saved on your Grok, you can see it here. Maybe you have a tag you want to complete later and you type in here, you're going to see it here in this part. So guys, that is it. If you want to upload a video, you just on a video camera, a photo, a file, you just click on this icon here. You'll be able to do that. Just click and you'll be able to do that. If you want to write in anything, just click here. You'll be able to type in anything you want to type. So guys, that is it on how to use the Grok Imagine. If this video was helpful, please do what to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.